This is Jill. Getting ready to cut some CBD soap for Hometown Hemp. It's called Kentucky Rain. And I'm tightening up the strings right now on my soap cutter. And we'll see how this one turned out. Here we go. Just push it down and the strings cut all the way through it with a nice smooth motion. Makes the soap look a lot better. You hear it pop. Slide this down just a little bit. I just made this yesterday. So, there it is. This one turned out really pretty. Really pretty. Really pretty. It's nice. The tops. Let's push this up just a little bit. There we go. So, there it is. The light's a little off in here, so I'll deliver these out tomorrow to her, and she's got some in stock, a few. I think this is just to restock. And turned out gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that as good, as pretty as it looks. Yeah. Gorgeous.